Hello, here we go again. It's beep test Tuesdays for pre-season for this young man and me, of course. I'll do my best. So we're looking to beat my personal best last week was 12:10 and yours is
13:3.
So good luck to the two of us, especially me. Good luck, kid. Okay, warm up done. Didn't want to film that there. I was just trying to make the video short as I can. None of that boring stuff anyway. But anyway, ready to go here. You ready? Let's do it.
Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2. Level 2, 2.
Beep test done. Yep, we upped our game this week. I beat my 12:10 by getting 13:2. Fionn, what'd you get?
14:3.
14:3. Brilliant. No, I got 14:2. Sorry, I actually got better than 13. I done 14:2 from 12:10 to 14:2, from 13:3 to 14. Even up a level, I went up 2. Very happy, very proud. Next week we'll beat it again. Yeah, I didn't tape it all because it was a bit long, but I swore we done it. Well done. Yay! Enough fun.
Someone who'll take the fall to save someone else, and nobody even knows that you're suffering yourself. For anyone whose pain always hurts like hell, this one's for you, this one's for you. Want you to take one breath, take one step, and never say never. Things will get better, only takes one day to rewrite your fate. Know that you'll find your way. Wherever you are, I hope you're listening, I hope you're living out your life. Wherever you are, I know you'll make it. Hold on to faith and you'll survive. Wherever you are,
That's what started. Super work today. The grass down here is a bit of a joke, but thick. Made things a wee bit hard, but if you can do stuff on a thick grass, you can do it on a Fiji or a nice cut pitch. So that's the way I look at it. Okay, well done. Well done beating your personal best, and well done to me. I did mine. Okay, on to the next time. Bye.